You want to deploy a continuous improvement approach in your company and train all your employees in lean management? That they can train independently at their own pace? Discover the 7 Shapes School, the 100% online lean school. The 7 Shapes School offers an interactive and engaging solution for lean training, whatever your level. The 7 Shapes School learning paths are made up of modules that unlock as you progress, with training videos, interactive lessons, quizzes, mini-games. You will learn all the lean concepts. And with real-time simulation, the great innovation of our solution, you will put your knowledge into practice. Lean manufacturing, lean office, or lean construction, choose the path that suits your company. Experiment, fail, succeed, but above all, learn. Plus, the 7 Shapes School adapts to your needs. Do you need a specific learning path? A design customized to your company's branding? Your own quiz? We can offer you a tailor-made solution. Additionally, our training courses are available in 14 languages to meet all your needs. And if you are a consultant, trainer, HR manager, or responsible for operational excellence in your company with the 7 Shapes School, you can train all your employees easily. Manage their progress and oversee your courses with a dedicated learner tracking interface. We also offer certification programs led by our in-house experts, online, in person, or blended. So, to build a lean culture, drive continuous improvement, boost your team's collective intelligence, and enhance your company's operational excellence, make the 7 Shapes School the core of your training. Come and try our free demo now at 7shapes.com.